This is on heavy rain. In the longer term, on cooler weather, spreading in particularly across the northern half of the British Isles. But we'll concentrate on the rain to start with, and there's certainly plenty of it. You can see it picked up on the radar, pushing in across the West Country. The bright colours showing that it is particularly heavy rain at the moment. It's moving its way ever so slowly, but eventually running up into South Wales and across remaining southwestern parts of England as we go through the afternoon. So if you're out and about on the roads in these areas, do watch out. It's likely to be a fair amount of water about, and heavy enough to lead to some localised flooding. The progress of the rain is still pretty slow as we go through the evening and overnight, but many gardens, I think, across much of Wales, England, getting quite a soaking, some fairly persistent rain for a time, then that rain band getting stuck across central areas once we get through into tomorrow. Ahead of the rain band, though, still problems with fairly high air pollution, high ozone levels particularly, but as that rain moves through during tomorrow, I think we will see those levels dropping quite quickly. For this afternoon, away from the rain area, then just one or two showers about, perhaps across the higher ground further north. Still plenty of sunshine for central and northern parts of Scotland. Not quite as warm as it has been recently, but still perhaps 26 or 27 across these sunnier areas. Pretty cool in the southwest, though, and quite a brisk wind picking up now along the Channel coast. But it's a change in wind direction that's going to bring the change in temperatures later on in the week, and particularly through the weekend. As we get through Saturday, Sunday, you start to see those winds pushing in from the north, so a much cooler, fresher feel to the weather here, I think. By Monday, temperatures only into the mid to high teens across Scotland. The warm air, though, hanging on in the far south. But here, too, starting to feel just a little bit fresher. Temperatures, though, staying in the teens across southern England and Wales during tonight underneath that rain band. It is going to feel quite humid again, I think. And by tomorrow, well, we start to see that rain edging up across these areas, lying across central parts of the country during the morning. Might well mean a rather slow start to the test match in Old Trafford. The rain, though, turning a bit more showery as we get through in towards the afternoon. Still, though, the north and the west of Scotland hanging on to that bright sunshine. By Friday, though, we start to see some cloud edging that bit further northwards, giving some patchy rain for a time. Drier and brighter further south. The next band, though, showery rain beginning to push in. Some thunderstorms quite likely in some of the heavier showers. And then the pattern very similar through the weekend. We've got this area of low pressure sitting down to the southwest, pushing in further bands of showery rain. But then they start to give way as that cooler air begins to spread in across the north, accompanied by one or two showers, wet in the south. Bye for now.